Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Check out the sky, look at the clouds. It's not a big deal usually, but it is in the desert. Couple raindrops on the windshield. Anyway, that's Tyson Wells Game Store right there. Got a couple errands to do. Just got back from that Nevada trip. Wasn't that cool? The alien thing, Valley of Fire, Lake Mead, Cottonwood. We explored quite a bit, just a few days there. Glad I made that trip. I wasn't expecting everything I saw. The alien thing, who knew? I don't know. But we're heading down Queuing, by the way. I'll do a loop around town. Matter of fact, I'll get up here, I'll fly the drone. We'll check out some clouds. This whole week, they're supposed to have storm fronts coming through. This is coming out of the Pacific up through Mexico. This is part of a hurricane that was out in the west in the Pacific. Moisture feeding up through here, which it's a blessing. The monsoon season here was so dry, just nothing. And so this is actually absolutely a blessing here. Last night the winds just screamed, but no rain. A lot of rain up towards the north, like up towards Parker and Bouse and all that area. Then yesterday they actually had tornadoes in Phoenix, which is rare. So, okay. Well, right up here on the left is my little favorite spot. I like to stop. I'll fly the drone. It'll give us a good look at the downtown area, Q Mountain, and Interstate 10. So let me get up here a little ways. We'll launch the drone, check her out, keep on rolling. Okay, up we go. That poor old van is dirty from that trip. The dust up in that desert in Nevada was something. Okay, that's looking off to the west. That's Love's truck stop right up there. Interstate 10. Over that direction, there's the fast food joints. There's greasy McDonald's. Pilot truck stop right there. There's the downtown district of Quartzsite, and that's looking off to the east. Big old fluffy clouds. You don't see this too often. This is great time lapse too. There's Q Mountain. There's looking off to the south. See a little more blue sky down that way. There's Desert Garden RV Park. Back around. Cool shot. Good views. Town's about ready to start getting busy. Businesses are starting to come alive. RV parks are starting to open. It's in the air. We're almost around, right at 1st of October, you're going to see a lot more activity here. All right, let me get landed. We'll get on the road. But that's just a quick look. See what the price of fuel is today. Boy, that's like that changes by the day anymore. Yeah, still about the same. 280-ish range. It goes up and down. Alright, we're gonna go across the famous exit 17. This is I-10. We'll head over and we'll cut down Main Street. I got a few errands I gotta do this morning. I'll get this video edited, get it out later today. Last night, because of all the clouds this week, I caught one of the prettiest sunsets you'll ever see, and I got it with the drone. So at the end of this video, stay tuned. You'll see that sunset, and it is a spectacular one. I caught a good one. Alright, this is Main Street. We're heading to the east. There's the jerky place on the right. Tire shop up here on the left. There's old greasy McDonald's. Hardee's. Be sure to stop to see Steve Hardy. Check out his beads and jewelry. Pilot there on the right. Downtown District. Coming up on RVerTV is quite a bit. I'm starting to work on a few little projects for around Quartzsite because some of the businesses are open. I'm been talking with Tyson Wells. We're working on a small series coming up. Also exploring a few new campgrounds in some of the area around the desert. So in the next couple of weeks, quite a bit of that will be videoed and shown. There's Dollar General on the right. But it's kind of the same thing every year. Always look for the flags too. Remember the flags. The more flags you see in the street, the more businesses that are open. When you see there on the right, there's B10, 88 Shades, all them. They're really no one there yet. But still getting near the end of September too. One nice thing about the clouds and the wind and a little bit of rain, it means a drop in temperatures. We're finally getting back into a seasonable temperature where in the evenings it'll cool off into the 70s. And for here, that's good. And then during the day, it's usually high 80s, low 90s, which is good too. Days are getting shorter. Okay. All right. The famous Tyson Wash. We're crossing over right now. Up here on the left is High Alley. I see a few vendors setting up. The guy directly across from the post office that sells tools and tarps and stuff, he's all set up. Right there on the left. And this is the intersection of Main Street and Central Avenue. To the left, take up towards Parker. To the right, down towards Yuma. But it's good to be back in town. I'm going to be here for a while. I'm not going anywhere for at least a week or two. Nothing really planned. Except for working on the local stuff here. On the left, there's that Taco Meal Mexican restaurant. They stay open year round. Roadrunner on the left here, Food Mart. And then, of course, all the gas stations. There's Crawford's RV Park on the right. And up here's the Coyote people, Coyote Food Market on the left. Let's see, from here, well, I was going to stop. Dollar store. I'm going to go down to Chevron and get some fuel. Then I'll work my way back. But don't forget, at the end of this video, I am going to put in that sunset. That was really spectacular. And down here is where all the RV dealers, but they won't be here for a while, set up. If there's anything you'd want to see around Quartzsite, put it down in the comments below. I will get to it. If I haven't filmed it, I will. If not, we'll refilm it again. Alrighty, almost up here to Chevron. Down here, this is exit 19 to the right. Riggles Avenue. Okay, and go straight across. This is usually where I get my fuel down here. They're all about the same price. All within 1 or 2 cents. I don't know why, I just prefer this one. Doesn't matter. Okay, just a quick trip through town. Back in town. Let the videoing begin. Once again, stay tuned. You got a great sunset coming up like right now. Talk soon.